know if it's bright enough. They're little lantern.
That I sleep here. Like my body's so limp.
Loki, if we can move the tree closer.
It would be perfect.
Oh my god. Oh shit. Of what?
Of her, like, up and away. Dude, my pointer finger is so fucking weird.
Why?
It's just shaped weird.
Malecha. Dude, that's my big toe. What about you, Brenda? What's your abnormality? Deformity.
Your knee.
I thought she was gonna say bad breath in the morning.
Oh. I'm gonna lay down for a sec.
Do it. The rock feels really cold and good. I would recommend you try it, Brenda. We're going back up and we're struggling. I'm struggling.
That's really fun.
Oh, hell no. Look at Brenda contemplating her life. Coffee time. And it's busting in my mouth.
So. Just a little bit. And medical marijuana.
She'll know about that.
Toothpaste on. A toothbrush?
Toothbrush.
Yeah. Who got it?
She got it. Oh, there's hella in LA, and you have to always get a blank check on your car because there's so much.
Change?
No, there's so much like pollution.
Smog?
Yeah.
Japan.
Tokyo.
Yes.
This is the beach where all the hippies go and they smoke.
Venice.
Yeah.
Come on, kitty man.
It's a beautiful dog.
Thank you.
I would leave it too. Thank you. Appreciate it. Taste test.
Because I love nuts.
Apparently,
It would be
they-
good. And ice cream on top.
that's kind of facts.
She said it's kind of fat. I was like, that's kind of crazy.
Do you know how to play Sudoku?
I do.
You want to try to beat me to one?
Yeah,
To finish a page? It's just 2.
I'm triggered.
You have a pen?
Guys, I'm reading Twilight and it's so freaking good. Also, I've been here before. Stephanie Meyer kind of did her big one. My friends are cooking steak. But I'm a vegan, so I'm not going to be eating any of that. Do you want to see what I'm looking at?
She said, next to the dumpster? Yeah, that's where you guys should go.
She was like, you brown folk can go next to the dumpster. I was like, damn. It is 80 degrees outside. There's a hair on the token.
Oh, it's a
Good?
string.
Oh.
My scorpion light.
Hello. Ooh,
It makes them glow.
that looks
Have
cool.
you found any?
Yeah, I found 4 last night.
Do you collect them or you
No,
just...
I was just looking.
Oh, okay. Wait, I don't think it even fits. Kivy, you're my marshmallow about to get scorched. This is how you chef it up.
Landed on my.
How do you feel about that? Like a lot of people get shitted on by squirrels and they don't even notice it. Cause I wouldn't have noticed it.
Let's see your perfect s'more.
Hi! I don't even have chocolate.
Packing up.
I hate rolling up sleeping bags.
We cleared out our campsite, guys.
Is that not biodegradable?
With a little bit of fighting. Just a little bit. No? That one?
And make it what?
Make it a gay bar.
shop and then
I feel like they're gay friendly here, no?
yeah, they are. I've seen
Yeah.
a lot of
Yeah.
You look like you're from the city.
Oh, look, they have a little grocery store here. I look like I'm from the city?
Yeah.
No. Pecker, if it is a woodpecker.
It probably is if it has a red mohawk.